To transfer an NFT in MetaMask, you first need to ensure you have the MetaMask wallet extension installed on your browser and that you have created an account. Once you have set up your MetaMask wallet, navigate to the NFT section by clicking on the Collectibles tab. This is where all your stored NFTs are displayed. To initiate the transfer process, click on the NFT you wish to transfer. This will open a detailed view of the NFT, including its name, description, and current owner. Look for the Send button, usually located near the NFT details. Clicking this button will prompt you to enter the recipient's Ethereum address. Enter the recipient's Ethereum address carefully. As NFT transfers are irreversible, you can copy and paste the address to avoid typos. After entering the address, you will be asked to confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details, including the gas fee and the NFT being transferred. It is essential to understand that transferring an NFT requires paying a gas fee, which is a transaction fee on the Ethereum network. The gas fee can vary depending on network congestion. Once you have reviewed the transaction, click Confirm to proceed. MetaMask will then ask you to confirm the transaction on the Ethereum network. This step is crucial, as it finalizes the transfer. After confirming the transaction, wait for the transfer to be processed on the blockchain. This may take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once the transaction is confirmed, the NFT will be transferred to the recipient's wallet. To verify the transfer, you can check the recipient's wallet or look up the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It is crucial to keep your MetaMask wallet and Ethereum address safe, as losing access to your wallet can result in losing your NFTs. In summary, transferring an NFT in MetaMask involves navigating to the Collectibles tab, selecting the NFT to transfer, entering the recipient's Ethereum address, reviewing and confirming the transaction, and waiting for the transfer to be processed on the blockchain. Always ensure to double-check the recipient's address and to keep your wallet secure to avoid any potential issues.